how to finish the raw end of a zipper with a handmade fabric tab. If you're making a fabric zipper tab with wrong sides together, fold each of the short sides of the zipper tab to the center and press. Then, with wrong sides together, fold each long side to the center and press. Lastly, fold the tab in half, matching the short sides, and make sure your tab measures according to the pattern. Close the zipper completely. Fold the closed end of the zipper tape, which is opposite to the pull, so it measures about 3/4 of an inch wide. You can either glue baste or stitch the folds in place. Next, slide the fabric tab over the end of the zipper so that the zipper is in between the fold. Top stitch the tab to the zipper an 1/8 inch from all 4 sides. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!